Hello everyone, we're working on the Jimmy again today. I've disconnected the battery here, and I've been having kind of a myriad of strange symptoms that I thought some of these sensor replacements might have fixed, but hopefully have the culprit nailed down now. So I had the ABS light on and I thought it was probably a wheel sensor, and I had some hard shifting. And then eventually, it wouldn't get out of first gear. And then my speedometer stopped working. So everything seems to be pointing to a vehicle speed sensor. So the transmission speed sensor, whatever you want to call it. So we have one on order, should be here today. And we're gonna see about swapping them out. So stay tuned with us and try to show you as best I can the procedure, and hopefully everything will go smoothly. So we're back underneath the car here, and there is our sensor. So we've unplugged it. We had to locate it here. So kind of at the back of the transmission. Pretty easy thus far. I need to get my ratchet out, and that's a 1-inch socket. Go ahead and pull it the rest of the way, and then as soon as we get the new one in, we'll throw that one in there and see what we got.